The Honor Magic 6 Ultimate features a square camera module with metallic accents, giving it a modern and unique look. The phone is available in 2 vegan leather finishes, which add a touch of luxury and are eco-friendly. In terms of durability, the Magic 6 Ultimate is equipped with Honor's new King Kong Rhinoceros glass, which is highly resistant to scratches and falls, making it a durable choice for everyday use. The Magic 6 Ultimate features a 6.8-inch OLED display that delivers a crisp and vibrant visual experience. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animation smooth and responsive. With a peak brightness of 5,000 nits, the display is easily readable even in direct sunlight, and the Dolby Vision HDR support ensures excellent contrast and color accuracy. The display also boasts a 360 Hz touch sampling rate, which is particularly beneficial for gamers and anyone who values precise touch controls. The Magic 6 Ultimate is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is known for delivering top-notch performance. The processor and performance are impressive, making it a strong competitor in the high-end smartphone market. It's a device that won't disappoint whether you're a power user or someone who demands high performance for multimedia and gaming. The Honor Magic 6 Ultimate's camera module is a highlight of the device, featuring a triple lens setup that includes a 50 megapixel standard lens, a 180 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens. This combination allows for a versatile photography experience from detailed close-ups to expansive landscapes. The camera module offers a robust performance that can compete with other high-end smartphones. It excels in producing vibrant and detailed images, although there are some areas, such as low-light motion blur and video stabilization, that could see improvement. The video recording capabilities are robust, offering 4K resolution at 60 FPS, ensuring high-quality footage with crisp details and vibrant colors. The camera system also supports HDR10 Plus recording, which enhances the dynamic range, providing richer contrast and more nuanced colors in videos. Additionally, the phone features an advanced image stabilization system, which is particularly useful when capturing action shots or recording while on the move. As for the selfie camera, this device sports a 32 megapixel front-facing camera that delivers clear and detailed selfies. It supports 4K video recording as well, allowing users to capture high-resolution video blogs or video calls. The Magic 6 Ultimate comes with a 5,600 milliampere battery with the ability to last over 3 days on moderate use. The phone supports 80-watt fast charging, which can get the battery from 0 to full in just about 44 minutes, making it incredibly convenient for quick top-ups. Additionally, it offers 66-watt wireless charging, adding to the flexibility of charging options. In summary, the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate is a premium smartphone that excels in many areas. It is a compelling option for those seeking a high-end smartphone experience.